Hello student, I am Professor Julis Ahmad. In this lecture, we are going to study values, moral and ethics. Okay, so in the previous video, I have explained about values and various types. In this also we will overlook about values. What are the values? Values means मूल्य काय जीवनाचे मूल्य काय त्यांचे महत्त्व काय जीवनामध्ये. What is the importance of values in our life? Values are very much important in life. Various types of values are there. Okay, our values are the qualities or ideas which each of us cares about and considers important. Truthfulness, honesty, bravery, punctuality, a number of values are there in our life which are very much important. So, according to the culture, according to the environment, society a person lives in, the values builds. Okay, so different person have different values. Okay, our values will be positive or negative values. Okay, types of values include the family, professional, national, spiritual. Okay, types of values. Individual values means the personal values. For example, honesty, loyalty, honor means kitna ईमानदार a person who is honest or dishonest, that is his personal value or individual values. Loyalty, honor. Okay, collective values also are there. Value connected with the solidarity of the community or collective norms of equality. I say collective values. On the basis of hierarchical arrangement, values are terminal values, intrinsic values, instrumental values. On the basis of organizational values, they are relationship values, social values. Relationship values reflect how you relate to other people in your life. Means how people behave with the other people in that is called the relationship values. Friends, family or colleagues in the organization. How we treat others, that depends on its personal value. Societal values, social values reflect how the individual or the organization relates to the society. How is the behavior of the person in a society, how a person behaves in the society, how a person behaves when he is living among the friends, society. On the basis of the nature of values, personal values, family values, social cultural values, material values, spiritual values, moral values, aesthetic values. Okay, you can read this, student. Now, morality, naitikta. Morality is one's individual perception of right and wrong and good and bad. We always say naitikta. इसके पास नैतिकता नहीं, मीन्स a person's decision to behave good or bad. A person's perceptions is one's individual perception of right and wrong and good and bad. Morals are formed out of the personal values. Morals are the result of values. You can say we have studied the values, honesty, for example. So that action will come from the honesty, will be good actions. When you consider the person having good values, when he is showing good actions, for example, honesty is his value, so he is going to show honest behavior in social life, personal life. Okay, so you consider this having the morality. Morals built from a person's life experience and are subject to the opinion. Moral act is an intentional act that is considered. Moral act means the right act. Immoral act means the bad act. Okay, immoral act has no bearing or right or wrong. Moral. Now ethics, Niti Shastra. Okay, ethics, the study of principle that governs how we decide what is right and wrong, deciding between moral and principles to determine the best course of action to take based on what you value and your own morality, right, wrong, good, bad. You can consider your options before making an ethical or unethical decisions. See the short story on moral and ethics. You can see here. A story tells A story tells that two friends were walking through the desert. During some point of the journey, they had an argument, and one friend slapped the other and other one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, wrote in the sand. He wrote, "Today my best friend slapped me in the face." Okay, they kept on walking until they found an oasis where they decided to take a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but the friend saved him. After he recovered from the near drowning, he wrote on a stone, "Today my best friend saved my life." The friend who had slapped and saved his best friend asked him, "After I hurt you, you wrote in the sand and now you write on a stone. Why?" The other friend replied, "When someone hurts us, we should write it down in sand, where winds of forgiveness can erase it away. But when someone does something good for us, we must engrave it in stone where no wind can ever erase it." Okay, when good acts are there, when good acts are done from other friend side, from other people, we should engrave it on the stone. But when bad acts are there, we should write on sand so that the wind of the forgiveness can erase it away. Moral of the story is, don't value the things you have in your life, but value who you have in your life. Okay, so this is student, this is the lecture. Just go through it properly. Just go through the PPT which is uploaded. Okay, thank you.